Hi guys, this is LG rotary compressor. '94 LRA. We are conducting test or energizing this compressor for good conditions. It's brand new. Okay, we need to identify the leads of the compressor. This is the leads. T1, T2, T3. It means terminal 1, terminal 2, terminal 3, okay? So, to make sure that we are installing the terminal connection, make sure that what is indicated, we just find the common, running, and starting. So, to make sure, try to see in the insert cap. There's a cap here. So there's a position where is to identify where is the common, running, and starting. So we need to see or look for this tag. So this is the position of this cap. Okay. We will install first. So that is the position of the cap. So we can identify now the leads. First, we need to know where is the common. So the common is from here. Okay, so this is the common connection. Common. So it means this is the common. Okay, and the next is we need to identify the running. So this is the running. So this is the one running leads. So the remaining is the starting. So we identified already the leads, terminal leads of this compressor, rotary compressor, LG brand. Yeah, this is the model number, LG brand rotary compressor 94 LRA, 220 volts. Single phase, 20 volts, single phase. Okay, so let's start to install the clips for this conversion. This is the clips, terminal clips, female terminal clips. This is the one. So the one, the first, the second one to be identified for the electrical connection. If we don't have any tag or we don't have any guidelines, I will explain you in the next video. Okay, so now we identified already the terminal leads of this compressor. So that is the electrical side. And the next one, the other one is we need to identify first what is the tubes connecting in this compressor. This is the compressor dome. This is the compressor dome, okay? You must understand that if a compressor, there's a discharge and return, okay? Discharge and return, or sucking and discharging. In this compressor, we, identifying the port, discharge and return, or discharge and suction. To be exactly termed is discharge and suction line. Okay, so we can identify where is the discharge and suction line if we start the compressor. The one is will blows or there's an output of air, that is the discharge, and the one who sucks and sucking intake